to mix these two together to give me that perfect graphic liner. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you guys my tips and tricks on how to do a graphic liner using your eyeshadow if you don't have a liquid liner. I'm going to go ahead to do my makeup, then I'll leave the graphic parts to the end so that we can follow along. I'll take you guys the step by step on how to do a graphic liner. So yeah, let's start. So the next I'm coming with my face all made up and presentable. Yeah. Okay, let me stop joking around. But yeah, that's it. Hi guys, so I'm back. I've done my face, I've done my foundation, my contour, my highlight, everything, my brows, So now it's time to do the graphic liner. I don't have a colored liquid liner, so to improvise, I'm going to be using my eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow I'm going to be using in this tutorial is a loose pigment. I'm using this loose pigment to do my graphic liner. And if you don't have a loose pigment, you can as well use your baked eyeshadow. It works both ways. So now the things you need your setting spray. So this is my setting spray from Milan. And this is my loose pigment. I got this loose pigment from an Instagram vendor. And then you need your brush. You can either use an angled brush or use the normal liner brush. I'm going to start with my right eye, and you guys just follow through one thing. So first of all, you want to get a clean palette and put a little. I'm just going to spray a little of my setting spray in the cover. So I'll put it here to kind of control it. So once it's in the cover, I'll just spray it directly on it. So that way it helps to not make the loose pigment everywhere. So now what you want to do is go ahead and mix it. And you want to make it into a paste. If it's too liquid, you can add more eyeshadow. So this is my paste here. This is where it looks at the back of my hand. Here. So I'm just going to go ahead to do this on my right eye. And what you want to do is, my mirror is just here. So you want to tilt your head like this and just follow along wherever shape you want to draw or wherever line you want to draw. Then I'm going to draw on top of my crease. Yeah, so this is what the right eye looks like. For the left, I'm going to do something different, and I'm going to be using an angled brush, so you guys can see that you can either use this normal liner brush or an angled brush. So for angled brush, I'm going to be using this angled brush, and I'm going to use a different color this time around to do my left eye, so that just to switch up things a bit. I'm going to use orange, and the same way I did it initially, which is get your loose pigment, pour it on a surface, add your setting spray to it. So now this is what I have for the orange. So now I'm just going to go ahead to do the orange and do something way different. Finish drawing my graphic liner. It's so easy, just like you're actually doing a liner, so that you're using a colored eyeshadow or a colored liner. So I'm going to get it to finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished result and how I snatched this look. So stay tuned. Hi guys, so this is the finished result of this look. I went ahead to pop on some lashes, spray my face with my setting spray, and I also went ahead to add some extras to my graphic liner. I don't know if you can see it. So I hope you've been able to learn how to do a graphic liner using your eyeshadow, your brush, your angled brush, or your liner brush, and a setting spray. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you like to see more tutorials like this, let me know down in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe. Subscription is free. Share this video to your loved ones. Everybody should share it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have fun and bye.